Learn to measure your car floor mats for a custom fit. Follow these steps for accurate results. Find the widest point of your floor mat and start measuring from edge to edge at this point. Measure the total length of the mat from the top to the bottom. Hold your phone at 90 degrees, centered above the mat. Make clear photos, making sure all measurements are visible. Measure the diagonal, start from one corner and measure to the opposite corner. Fourth step is to measure the distance between the clips on your floor mat, the height and length of the floor mat from the clip. Don't forget to measure the middle of the clips. Hold your phone at a 90-degree angle and make sure the mat is straight and directly in line with your phone. Ensure the mat is flat and the tape is taut for an accurate diagonal measurement. Another way is to use the iPhone Measure app. Simply open the app, position your phone, and follow the on-screen instructions to measure width, length, diagonal, and other dimensions. Take straight-up photos of each dimension. Measure each mat driver, passenger, and rear. Send photos with measurements to info@autowin.com, and we'll craft custom floor mats to fit your needs.